Nathan Romero with HSPN Networks here at SEMA 2007. I'm at the Nitto booth with Anthony Lee. Anthony, Nitto came out with this tire this year, I believe. It's the Invo. It's the most interesting tread pattern I've ever seen. Tell me more about it.
The Invo is an asymmetrical, non-directional tread pattern, which is ideal for staggered fitment vehicles. So when you have a staggered fitment, it is difficult to rotate. But with this, you can cross-rotate from side to side without that will improve wear on staggered fitments. This tire is targeted for luxury vehicles like Mercedes, Lexuses, BMWs, as well as we have fitments in the sport compact market as well. The tread pattern, this tire is a 3/4 season, so it's not really a snow type tire. It's our Ultra Performance flagship line. The water evacuation grooves help improve wet performance, as well as the compounding helps improve the dry performance of the tire.
Now, what else is new at Nitto?
We currently are launching our new Duragrappler highway terrain tire, as well as our 20-inch drag radial.
And if we want to learn more about Nitto tires, where do we go?
You can go to www.nittotire.com.
There you have it. Anthony, thank you very much.